Hi, fellow makeup fiends. Great. So what they really want to hear is you sniffing with that thing up your nostrils. That is so not attractive.
I'm just gonna sniff.
Vicks Vaporer.
It's
It's
not.
the ultimate legal high.
Shut up.
Alex.
That's terrible, and it's not even Vicks. It smells like Raljex. It doesn't even smell like Vicks. I've got
vapor
Vicks
inhaler.
in my bag.
You want to smell glue, kids?
From Jellicool.
No.
Ultimate legal licorice.
Lick.
Licorice? You don't go drugs like fish, do they?
No. I can't find my Vicks vapor stick. Anyway, you just tuned into this vlog and we're talking utter rubbish.
Alright, should we?
So what we're doing is, nobody wants to see your vapor rub. What we're doing is we're popping into Sunderland quickly before we go to the Metro Centre to get some bits of Christmas shopping. And we're going to see the Coca Cola. Oh, it's the Coca Cola truck. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. It's the Coca Cola truck. So yes, we're going to go and see that now. So we thought we would just say hello first.
It's a free Cokes.
There's supposed to be free Coke, I'm not really sure.
Can it?
Alex in for anything if it's free. So we'll see you in a minute. Oh, here he is.
Oh, Alex, don't go.
So this is Santa's office. Look, there's a sack for Sunderland.
10.
And there's a nice list. Is Lisa on the nice list?
It's not in alphabetical order.
Oh, I could be here forever. looking for
Atticus.
mine. Atticus, what's he doing on the nice list? And there's the route planner.
That's a group.
Santa's chair.
With our Lily's son, Declan's son, and David's son.
So this is Santa's post office.
Oh, there's Sunderland though. Oh, there.
Oh, look, Sunderland's in the post box there. Quite a bit, yes. There's quite a bit in there.
Ho Chi Minh City, there's only one. Oh, there's only one thing going to Ho Chi Minh City and all those people who live there.
Look, there's for Santa. There's a lot to New York.
Yeah,
It's
big
in the
time.
bag.
Yeah.
Oh, he's asleep.
Yeah,
He's probably get arrested.
Sweet shop. Is there somebody with a t-shirt on? Well, we need to ask them.
Oh, she just had it was you know, one of those Georgia
Oh, look at the giant gummy bear. I want one. It's just like Katy Perry's video, the giant gummy bears.
Is it a gummy bear?
This one's Santa's workshop.
Oh, look.
Oh, I like the view out of his window.
He's actually making toys.
This is the present loading bay.
Oh, California.
Oh, it's a gift automatic.
Oh, this is
Do you think I could stuff myself in that sack and go to California?
Yeah, that's a good idea.
I'll send you a postcard.
Present loading. And there's the sleigh outside. That is good. What's next? The night before Christmas.
On the head.
Oh, look, there's Santa. He's coming down the chimney.
There's Santa's feet.
Oh, look at his little biscuits he's having there. He's having
Jammy Dodgers.
Jammy Dodger. What looks a bit like an Oreo, a chocolate chip cookie.
Another great view out the window there. Santa's Christmas tree. This one is please do not feed the reindeer. That looks a bit scary.
That looks like he's just throwing at their heads.
Yeah, they did something wrong. Right, your head's going on the wall.
They're supposed to be looking out with
Yeah.
Yeah, they're supposed to be looking out of their little things, but they don't. It's not very good,
They could have
really.
painted the background.
Yeah, they could have.
They didn't really need to put a sign saying carrots on as well.
No, that's a bit mad, that one. Ah, reindeer fly in school.
Polish nose and put on magic colour. Assume the position and make a Christmas wish. Fly through the sky.
He's got a learner plate as well. It's Rudolph because he's got a red nose.
It's like the mixed Christmas movie where he loses Pluto.
Oh yeah, I love that one.
Look at those.
Like a proper Christmas market round here. Lots of food. We need to find somebody to ask about the bus though. Oh yeah, definitely.
M&M's album stayed in for a while.
It's mad in here. Look at the queues for Santa. Huge. shop online.
Oh, I don't like that position.
You had to get your photo taken?
Smile.
On the back of that card you will have a unique photo number. You must look after this card because you need to go to codezone.co.uk.
Right, Lilo? Sorry. Are they? They're just tiny.
I don't think it's worth it. They're exactly the same.
There we are. There is the bus. Very exciting. Lots of people here, but we're not going to queue for a bit because the queue is horrendously long. This way, Alec. That's it. Excitement over. Alec!
Go!
Ooh. People want stuff.
What they look like Jack Frost
Yeah.
from Rise of the Cardigans.
The card.
To the cardigans. Rise of the cardigans.
Guardians.
The Guardians.
Not cardigans.
No.
Didn't they?
I think they just put the Christmas lights up, Alec.
Well, the lights are on, but
Nobody's home, that's you.
well, sorry, I couldn't see it right now. It's not very dark.
No, we don't want to see it now. No.
Do it last year, didn't we go see that?
Should we just cut
What's
through?
that, James Bond?
Where?
We'll just walk through.
Yeah. Oh, it's not good to the last year. I like
Well, it won't be any different, will it?
Didn't we go see Batman or James Bond when we came through here? After.
James Bond. It was Christmas Eve, wasn't it?
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
I'd already seen it, the bunch.
We'd seen it, but we went to see it because you hadn't.
There's the panda,
It's
there's
just-
the polar bear.
We had to see it again because it was like one of the best James Bonds.
Yeah,
They're
definitely.
new. Them penguins, aren't they new? No, they're not new.
No, these are old. They're off last year. Well, there you go. So, Sunderland is total crazy bedlam, which is not surprising. We're going to go at the Metro Centre. I'm sure it's going to be mad there, but we're going to get the last of the things we need at the shops because we tend to do online shopping. We don't do a lot of in-shop shopping, and that is the reason why. Because it's just
Oh yeah, nobody's offered you to get you some
You
makeup,
don't do
so
a
I'm
lot.
getting it.
You don't do a lot of shopping. Not
No.
online.
I do online. That's what I'm saying.
No, you're trying to
Ah,
say.
you got married,
You're trying.
Ah,
You're trying.
you two lovebirds, you got married here.
Yeah, we went in there.
Trying to distract you all.
Anyway, it's set for Christmas. This is where we came out
Yeah.
and where we went in.
Yeah.
Yeah. See, I distracted you all when you were having just a little
bit of a domestic there.
I went on the back. I went in the back entrance.
Did you?
On
Did
the
you?
wedding day.
I didn't know. It's been a year.
Did you? The back entrance.
We came in the front. Swag.
So, yes, I don't like shopping. I like charity shops and we do grocery shopping. We don't do a lot of going out high street shopping.
I don't.
But
I
Primark,
don't.
No, Tony doesn't.
Primark, because you can't get online Primark.
Yeah, there's certain things that you have to go out for.
Here's a confession. I live in Primark.
Yes, Tony's got a Primark My Little Pony t-shirt on today, but she's got creepers on from Iron Fist,
Yeah.
which were for her birthday. They look cool. We'll not talk about Alex's outfit.
Oh look,
Not
there's
really.
a Sunderland software set.
That's where I'm going on Wednesday for a meeting.
Ooh.
Ooh, posh.
What for?
It's a conference.
Ooh.
For schools.
Ooh.
So, my outfit. Got my tiger t-shirt on. And I got these skinny jeans. And they're from Asda. I got them in the sale. They were £7 or £8, can't remember.
Darion.
This is my House of Darion coat. Love this coat. And Cyber lipstick by MAC. Oh, it's so beautiful.
Why is that lady left its bottle there?
Somebody's dropped the bottle, so somebody's put it on there. The baby didn't say, I want to put my bottle there.
Well, it might have just
The
reached
baby's
up and
got
put
its
it on.
front.
No,
Might have just reached up and done it.
no, come on. It's got long arms, that baby, then.
It might just have a very high chair.
High chair.
You take
Ah,
a
high
stroller. A stroller or a pram?
Yeah, stroller.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the cute little dog. So,
SES doesn't seem very busy
Oh my god,
today.
we are in the streets of London.
yeah, it's like London, these streets. I like these streets.
I would like to visit London again. Oh, I want to go.
London.
Yeah, I think it does.
I want to go see Wicked and the Wizard of Oz again. Oh, they were amazing. Just
Wizard
amazing.
of Oz is over.
Is it over?
It's over.
I don't think.
Oh,
No, I don't think it's over.
I wanted to come back.
No,
Oh,
no,
it
no,
was
no.
amazing.
Careful, you're walking.
I can see where I'm going. I'm used to vlogging, thanks very much.
Oh,
So,
that was just amazing.
it's a little cold, but it's not too bad. It's not too cold.
Also, where she travelled to the other world, that was amazing. And the yellow brick road.
Yeah, I think Tony really liked the Wizard of Oz.
Yeah, and also
How come
Wicked was
solicitors
good.
never open up?
Yeah,
And what else? Oh, Aladdin was good. That was anyway.
Hey?
yeah, that wasn't London though.
Yeah, I went to West End. Woo! And I've got lots of
How come solicitors never open up?
Because
because the hit Saturdays,
it's an office and they don't need to be open. What a ridiculous question.
Yeah, well, what if somebody's got a very urgent meeting?
Well, they'll be
What's
out
going
of
on?
they'll be out of hours. Anyway, while Alec's talking rubbish here, we're coming round here to what Alec calls the craft district.
World. Craft
But-
area.
Let's have a look at some of these businesses.
There's a lot of
Called
businesses.
this cafe where I actually submitted an application for a job and was refused.
Well, you weren't refused. You weren't even interviewed.
You'll be spreading bad
Well, that's what I
business.
mean.
That solicitors looks open.
Could have done it.
What? What?
Well, I might go and get slapped right.
What are you laughing at?
No, there's someone else. I saw this bird, right? And I saw it just take a dump. And
Oh,
I
that's
saw
nice.
the dump fly.
That's
on the
lovely.
road.
Thanks for sharing that. I did ask.
Why didn't you turn off the camera so I could share that one?
I don't remember those lights.
Look at these. They're for
Anyway.
Christmas, bar humbug. You've got some like little
Lights
seats.
on this side.
Remember they're not turned on. It's kind of a sculpture there. More sort of seating areas.
There's the arch up there where you've got your art prints.
Yeah, yeah. So we're gonna go back the car now, and we're gonna head off to the Metro Centre. I'm sure it'll be a nightmare in there as well, but we'll manage. We know where we're going, so we're not gonna spend forever in there.
Well,
We'll see you there. We'll vlog a little bit there if possible.
free parking.
I hope you go
This is free parking because it's so crappy.
Yeah.
But Alec's worried about falling over for his ankles.
Car at risk.
He's got weak ankles, haven't you, Alec?
Yeah.
We just had a debate about saying thank you for food because apparently we never say thank you, do we, Alec?
I
I
do.
didn't see anything.
I do say thank you.
I
say
know.
Thanks, champ.
I know.
I didn't say that.
He kind of did say that.
Didn't you?
He did honestly say that.
Might have implied.
He implied. He said it. He did. He said it.
What you doing?
Look at that sky. It's so pretty.
I want to see the sky.
Underneath the covers. Do you want to see the covers live behind the aura? So this is the beauty of the sky,
Looks like
and we've
Madagascar.
parked at the top of the Metro Centre to have a look at this view.
Well, it looks a bit like Madagascar.
Second cold. With these parks and Mount is it Everest?
Olympus?
It's Everest?
Olympus has fallen?
It will fall. It will.
Parking in the cold area like this is quite near the grid in case we get snowed in.
Oh yeah.
Oh, we're gonna get snowed in, are we?
Alec, don't sing that, please. We may get copyrighted even just for that.
Here we are. That's a bit bizarre. The Christmas tree kind of disappears in the ceiling. Santa's got now. Oh, it's a countdown to Christmas. Big day. Right, we're here at the Metro Centre and it is busy, but it doesn't feel as bad as Sunderland as yet, but we're not in the main sort of shopping place yet. The decorations are really pretty, but I'm not too sure about the fairy just coming out of the Christmas trees bottoms. I don't like the Christmas trees that high.
They changed the decorations this year.
Yeah, definitely different decorations this year. But I like this big Christmas tree coming up here. It's really nice. And look at that on the ceiling, so cute. And then there's like a Nintendo thing here. It's huge. Really lovely. Mario 3D World is a huge sort of thing. You can put on the hats and play the games. So that's it for now. I'll try and vlog a bit more further around.
Mum's gonna take pictures.
You go with Tony, I'll be out here. Here, want to kind of feel a bit more relaxed. And Tony and Alec have just gone into House of Fraser, which is there. On that counter, Tony is getting me something for Christmas, so I'm just going to stand out here and I'll vlog a little bit. But I just wanted to show you this. This is just wow. Yeah, it's almost like it's like a huge tree, and then it's got like icicles hanging off the branches. It's really, really cool. So we've got to go along to Debenhams. We've not got many places to go. I was going to look and see if I could get something for Alec, but I think I'm going to get it on eBay actually, because it's like the Body Shop gingerbread. But I think that, as I remember last year, I think the smell was like just a bit too spicy. So I think I'm just going to get that off eBay, because I've seen like a creamier sort of one, which I think will be better. So I don't have much to get, and I want to get something else, which I can't mention here because Tony watches my vlogs. Yeah, so that's it for now really. But it's mega busy here, as you can see. Absolutely jam-packed. So that's it for now. I'm trying to get a sneak peek into Mac there. No, not really. I like surprises. I don't like to know what I've got for Christmas. I like to be surprised on the day. But Tony asked me to do a little list, and I put some Urban Decay and Mac on there because that's what she said. She says put down the things that you're after. So really quite exciting that they're in there now. And Alec will be like, oh, I don't know what I'm doing. So it'll be quite amusing. But hopefully she'll come out there clutching a little Mac bag, which is one of my favourite things in the world. Yes, so that's it. So I am going to go and sit in that chair over there because it's looking very inviting, and I'm going to see you later. Bye for now. Well, I'm videoing it changing colours. Smart ass. Tony's got a bag from House of Fraser. Oh, it's exciting.
This is going back the way we came.
Oh my god.
I just showed Tony the Superdry store, and Tony's reaction was, ah! Tony is not a fan of Superdry. Still manic along. Hey, we're going to Debenhams now. Look what the Metro Centre's got. It's got a Lego store. Smell the Lego.
If you step on a Lego, if you've ever stepped on a Lego, I feel for you.
You know the pain.
You know the pain.
Yeah, it's painful. Painful.
This job is not so very well, have I?
So, here we are, McDonald's. Alex having some chips and a deli sandwich.
Yeah. But once I've run out of chips, I just have to use my finger.
You just what?
I just have to use my finger.
Why?
Run out of chips.
When you run out of chips? That's a bit disgusting. That's horrible. And Tony's having some chicken sandwiches and some chips and a fizzy Fanta.
I can do that, but I'd rather do that in private because it isn't safe.
I would suggest you dip your chips in before sticking your finger in.
You've got chips, eat them.
No, they're Tony's.
Uh-oh.
She needs to go large so she can have an extra steak.
So, we got what we wanted, didn't we? We didn't got many places, it's really still quite busy.
We got what you wanted.
I don't know what you got.
Yeah, but we got what you wanted, not what we wanted.
Oh, things off my Christmas list. Okay, so apparently... No, you got nothing, I've only got you one thing. So we're going to put the tree up tomorrow, I think. And we got some things in Disney. Tony got a new cup. And we got one of the Christmassy bags.
Haven't you got a couple?
No.
And you decide which one's going to make space for the new cup.
So cute.
Don't look alarmed.
We're not chucking any cups out.
Well, we're overflowing. It's in the cupboard.
No.
Oh, you don't put in these cups.
And I just get recognised. I think our channel is Holly Loves Beauty.
It's a
Hi,
balancing
Holly.
act.
Yeah, and she's sitting over there with her friends. So, I'll see if I can get a photo with her before we go to put in this vlog. Alex is going to take a photo.
She's eating that.
Yeah, not while she's eating.
Right now.
No, Alec, obviously. But it's been quite a nice day. It's been okay, hasn't it? We haven't gone in too many shops, so it hasn't been too harassing. The shops are just really jam-packed.
To be honest, it's not as bad as I thought it was going to be.
It's not as bad as Sunderland was.
No.
Sunderland was like, you were shoulder to shoulder all the time.
Yeah, but Sunderland is the Christmas town of the world.
Business town of the world. Where did you get that from?
Well, you know, everybody shops in Sunderland at Christmas.
It's more like New York, not California.
Yeah. I wouldn't say Sunderland was the shopping capital of the world.
Well, okay, of England.
So we're just going to finish our McDonald's. I just had a chicken sandwich because Alec had a coupon.
$1.99.
Okay, so we're going to end the vlog here because the memory card is nearly full. So it's been a lovely day, had a quite nice time. I've been a little bit poorly the last few days, so it's been quite nice to get out and about.
I was poorly.
Have you been poorly? Did you? That's what I had, a stomach bug.
I know, I thought I was getting what you had.
Yeah, I think Tony had it as well. Yeah, Tony had it.
But I thought a bit queasy, but then I've rallied.
Rallied, right, okay. So, but it's been quite nice to get out because we don't really get out very often as a family. And Alex has been working a lot of hours, so it's been quite difficult. So it's been nice to get out. I know, he's photo bombing us.
What do you mean?
You're video bombing. Just sneaking in on the side. So I'm going to say goodbye. Alec, would you like to say goodbye?
Goodbye, makeup things.
Bye.
That's it. So I'll see you later. Bye.
This is like Sleigh bells ring.